Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Coinbase Earn video. Stay tuned to get that crypto.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
So since my last Coinbase Earn video, there's been a couple coins that have popped up and more money to be earned. Today, we're going to be going over Filecoin. So let's look into this one. So guys, I am really upset right now. I said I was going to do this video right now, and I'm still going to continue this video, but I messed up. I recorded on my phone watching me, and I didn't screen record a coin right now, and it was Filecoin. So I'm not going to be doing a Filecoin video because I did it and I didn't record. So I am, however, still going to go to Earn Rewards, and they are offering the band protocol. So I'm going to do band, and then I'm going to convert it into Bitcoin. So we're going to do that video right now. All right. So we're good right now. I'm recording on my screen. I'm recording off my phone. Let's go to band protocol. Again, 3 questions. This is for $3. Why does it look like this? Band protocol brings real-world data to blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot. This data includes stock prices, weather, flight info, sports scores, crypto prices, and more. What does band bring to blockchains? Fiat currency, privacy, real-world data, consensus? I was confused for a second. Okay, so C. Number 1, C. So next lesson. With band, developers can create decentralized customable data feeds called oracles. Oracles on band secure and power blockchain apps with just a few lines of code. What are band's decentralized data feeds called? Oracles. 2C. Next lesson. This one's pretty cool. You don't have to watch a whole video. So the band token is used to govern the protocol and secure the Oracle network. You can stake band to earn block rewards and a portion of data request fees. What's one benefit of staking your band tokens? Higher limits, earn crypto rewards, unique band, earn crypto rewards. You're staking. Oh, see, next lesson. What is this? Shouldn't be another lesson because it was only 3. Want more band? Invite your friends. Earn up to an additional $40 in band when your friends start earning. I understand. And yeah, so this link right here, I'm going to put in the description. If you guys want to participate in this, I believe I'll earn crypto. I don't think you guys will earn crypto on it, but the link will be in the description anyways if you guys want to follow that link to earn some band. All right, so anyways, let's where do I go back? I don't know. I'll go back here to home. It's time to convert our crypto into Bitcoin. Oh, just real quick, let's check this out. All right. I wanted to see this recent transactions. Well, see, converted from Filecoin. I had them, and then I just converted them to Bitcoin. That's why there was $5.88. This is supposed to be $6 from Filecoin. But anyways, going back to band. Overview, hit convert, and we are going to convert all of it. Let's see. How much do I have? Let's see. What? Weird. Convert. Convert. Oh. Okay. Convert. Done. Go to my portfolio and 882. Now I have more Bitcoin. So yeah, real quick video. Just wanted to do another Coinbase Earn for you guys. But there you have it. All answers will be in the description if you don't want to watch the video. Again, there's going to be another link for the description. There's going to be another link in the description for you to participate in these earn programs. And I'm not sure again if you'll earn any money from it, but there's just a link to get you straight to the earn program. Let's see. Let's go over Bitcoin. It's doing pretty amazing right now. Still dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Past 24 hours, it's pumped a little bit. Past month, 17%. This thing's insane, dude. Man, I wonder what's gonna happen. But dollar cost averaging is a good way to minimize risk, I guess. But do your research, invest in the coins you think are gonna make it, and just keep going, you know. Anyways, with that being said, stay tuned for more videos. I got another one that I need to do that's in the earn rewards, and I'll just show it to you guys. There's one right here on Compound, right here. Use Compound with Coinbase Wallet. You guys can get ahead of the game and do it before I even make the video, but it's right there too. But again, anyways, with that being said, thanks for sticking to the end. Give me some likes, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And until next time, let's get this money. Peace.